I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin. Crazy price action. So we talked about this bearish retest, the Bitcoin daily chart. Okay. The price action, essentially you had this bull trap and now lost to 200, simple moving average, and then bearish retest and then downside. So the price is testing the lows of the range. If this doesn't hold, you're looking for 44,000, 42,000. Okay. Understand that if you get a move where this does break lower and then you come back up here and get a bullish retest of this level, that's a great way to open longs, right? Because this would be essentially a bear trap, right? And when bears get trapped, this price action goes completely the other way. So if you're trading Wyckoff, reaccumulation type ideas, this would be called the spring. And so that's, definite possibility. Yesterday, we were talking about the CME futures and buying the breakout of this falling wedge. And what was interesting is I was at the store and in group I posted like that, the price action was moving higher. Everything looked good. I was at the store and I noticed like Bitcoin had this huge bearish engulfing candle. I was like, what the heck? Now it's lost this level. What you don't want to do is get a bearish retest here and further downside. But I said, what happened here? Why did this happen? I mean, you got this falling wedge, 68% chance this breaks higher. What made this happen? And so one of the things that's made me extremely successful in this market is going back and researching and understanding ideas and how things played out and why. And so I want to share this with you, and this is very important to understand. So this is the range low, which is still holding. I mean, the bulls can show up here, and you'd open up longs based on a retest to this level, right? But I went to the SPX, and so this is the S&P 500 index. And the idea is, and this is not to scale, but Bitcoin's price action has been following the S&P 500. Right when you had this breakout and pullback right here, I mean, it's right here, like the S&P 500 dumped completely. Now you essentially have a bearish retest to this level and S&P 500 index looks weak. Now the market's closed, but clearly there's some correlations here. So one thing has made me, the group, very successful, you guys too, I'm sure, is we take a lot of different ideas from different charts and we find confluence and we find ways to use these charts across multiple ideas. And so this is where the game changes. And so clearly the S&P 500 index, SPX, dumped and then Bitcoin followed shortly after. So the most important thing to pay attention to is Bitcoin has to hold this range low. If this is a bearish retest, you get further downside, 44,000, 42,000. However, at some point, if you regain this level, you're going to long that because that makes this a bear trap. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. I mean, amazing is not the word. Unbelievable. So this person hit me up. He's like, are you there? He made $70,000 trading these Kucoin gem picks. He started with $100 before he even joined the group, just watching the YouTube channel, right? He made $70,000 in 5 months trading. He's 19 years old. He's up 700x. That is crazy. He outperformed basically every single altcoin there is, just trading these gem picks. He was in the top 0.44% of Kucoin traders. Shout out to this person. He made 5,000 euros trading Atom over the last 7 days. He said, this isn't much. Actually, $5,000 to most people is a ton of money. Listen, I'm going to continue running the New Year's special, 60% off plus $100 discount. Make sure, change your life. New Year's resolution. Get rich in crypto. If you're interested in joining my cryptocurrency trading group, go to my website, cryptorev.net. If you pay with cryptocurrency for 6 months or 12 months, it's 50% off. If you pay for the year, you get 1 additional month for free. You can always choose to pay on a monthly basis from month to month with a card. Just click this link. Or if you go down to the description, you can click this link to the website If you have any questions or you need to email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. We'll get you on the team today. The reason why we do so well is because we find the best setups. Near up 75%, back here 107%, 92% gains in FTM, 160% gains. I want you guys to understand this idea. So this is previous, where Bitcoin was at $8,000, right? It was just moving sideways after a huge drop. Bitcoin dropped from 10,500 down to about 7,800 previously, right? And then you have this choppy price action, nothing happens. And then you get this huge, massive sell-off, which pumped crazy. If you get a bear trap and then this level gets regained, this looks similar to this price action. Now, will it work out like this and we get a big drop, or will you just get a bounce here and this is a double bottom? We don't know. But the point is, you have to have a plan in place. If you get a drop and then this price level is regained, that's a very bullish sign. If you have not made a tremendous amount of money in this market, your time is coming for sure. What's about to happen with NFTs, GameFi, Metaverse, Coinbase, NFTs, create, collect, connect, coming soon. Join the wait list. You guys, this is about to be, I'm telling you, it's like buying Bitcoin for $1. I'm going to keep you guys updated. We're about to make a ton of money in this market. Yesterday, I had the top 3 gainers on Binance posted. If you look, here's RVN, buy the breakout of the falling wedge. I mean, you got to be in the right coins. This thing banging, immediate upside. Immediately. ICP, I gave it to you yesterday. ICP, buy the breakout of this level. 7,200 people saw this. Banging, took off. So if you get a pullback out of ICP, this is one of those coins where people can FOMO. The most important thing that is possible right now is that Bitcoin dominance, if this breaks and continues lower, which, I mean, it already has broken lower, but what you want to see is maybe a bounce and then bearish retest. You have to have an idea where it's possible Bitcoin dominance, Bitcoin just kind of fades, doesn't do a whole lot, and the market focuses on NFTs, GameFi, Metaverse, altcoins, which clearly at this point, mainstream adoption is coming, right? And so we're in a situation where Bitcoin may not be the focus and poster child of this market. And so this scenario would mean Bitcoin dominance continues lower and you get an epic altcoin season, right? You may get a short-term bounce. And if this is, a lot of times you could time moves, Bitcoin moves based on this idea. So, if Bitcoin gets a pullback and you get this bounce here and then bearish retest, obviously not good for altcoins initially, but you get downside continuation here. Altcoins take off, Bitcoin does nothing. This is a super bullish scenario that could play out for the altcoins, and I'll keep you guys updated on this idea. This is VIDT, so I posted this in group earlier, and you can see it looks a lot different than other coins, right? It's had the VIDT, I mean, look at these crazy swings. Now, I really want to see VIDT break out above this level, okay? This is very contingent on Bitcoin. But, I mean, you have this ascending triangle type pattern, right? This thing breaks out. I mean, you could see 99 cents, $1.04, $1.09, $1.13, $1.19. VIDT looks different. So what's happening is it's trying to break and hold above the 200 simple moving average. So let's just look at this idea. The 200 simple moving average coming in here. When the price action breaks above it, it bounces on this level, right? Even here where it pumped crazy, it came down here and bounced on that level, right? And so if you do get a pullback here, that's good entry for VIDT, but this is just one coin that you want to put on your radar, set your alerts. Again, this is all so dependent on Bitcoin right now. This is not easy trading, but we hit the top 3 gainers. We hit the top 3 gainers on Binance. You can't be mad at 20, 19, 16% gains out of altcoins. Solid green gainers. That's what we do. That's why you guys watch this channel. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.